Okay, so this is a little embarrassing, but during the recording for my second episode, which this is now becoming, I was about halfway through and realized I wasn't recording. I just made the tool forge. In the first episode, right after the first episode, I made a hut, a couple chests, furnaces, made this. This was a bad idea right here. Died in the sludge. Planted a bunch of trees, got ready for a second farm. Made Tinker's Forge. Most of that was in the second episode, though. This specifically was the second episode. Trees, and that second farm. And a little bit of mining. So, yeah, that's just a little embarrassing. So now I'm moving all of this over here to the Tinker's area, which this is now becoming. Just realized I still needed a crafting table for in the house. So, wish it wasn't so cramped, but that's all I could do on short notice. There we go. Now, what does the quest want me to make? It wants me to make an iron hammer. Also realize I need chests. Or at least one double chest. You've got stuff in you, you've got stuff in you, you don't. Also need stencils, some wood, iron, sticks, that. Okay, I think that's all I really need at the moment. Gonna toss that. No, not dirt. That. So, I think it was tough tool rod I wanted. Yes. It's a tough tool rod. It's a plate. And it wants a hammerhead. Now I want stone parts of each of those. Can I not? There we go. And now for the hammerhead. And I'm pretty sure it wants us to make casts of these. tough stone rod. No, I have a normal stone tool rod. I was hoping I could do that. There. Yeah, it wants us to create casts. There's plate. That's done, and now it wants to scrape the iron parts. Should be enough. Or not. Which one do I want? Diamond. Definitely diamond. Because for those of you that don't know how Tinkers works, diamonds can be made to make, well, let's say this. Normally it can't mine through obsidian, but if I put a diamond on it, it can. No, I still want that. One of the two large plates. Well, thank you. Not enough iron. Deviating lily, red. At least I think it's red. Yes. Oh no, I broke it. Poor faster. There we go. Okay, and now you should be happy. Yes. Build the iron hammer. Do, 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 do. Claim reward. Like that. And it also gives it extra durability. And apparently a bonus versus the undead. Those two I cannot get to yet. Because I have to... Yeah. Hit V. Because to make heavy duty pickaxes and stuff, you need to have compressed steel, which is compressed iron, and coal, which is 2 iron ingots, and a compressor, and the compressor for sword for Galactic Craft Which one of these is cheapest? This one. This is the... Yes, this one's the compressor. I need aluminum, copper, an anvil, basic wafer, which is a diamond, with... And yeah, these stuff. And I need a circuit fabricator, which is fabricator, which is aluminum wire, which is that, buttons, and more aluminum and stuff, and I don't think I've got enough aluminum because of this. My aluminum decided to turn into molten aluminum brass. Yeah, not the nicest thing for it to do, but whatever. Which reminds me, I need to make a cast for nuggets. Three nuggets. A block. And two ingots. So now there's no copper for when I put more aluminum in. That one. Forgot to do that. Doop, 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 doop. Keep that on me. Keep that on me. Keep that on me. Keep this on me. And actually, I'll make an iron sword. Well, while I'm doing that, I'm gonna go to bed. And now, those should be done. Should be enough iron in there for this. Yep. And I need a bit of wood. The sticks, which is even better. Okay, so now tool forge. I want to make a sword. need that. You know, I'm just gonna trust this in as well. Don't need that. Don't need that. I'm ready to go mining. And sorry about darkness if you can't see. Is my brightness up? Yes, my brightness is up. Actually, wait, I think I have enough coal to make a bunch of torches. Yep. And all my wood's in the other chest, isn't it? Nope, I've got plenty of wood here. Yay, plenty of torches. And I've got one of those. Okay, good. Yay, 10. I almost never get 10. At least most times when I'm mining for 10. Need to replace you with this. That way I can keep mining. Let's see, what was 10s again? I think it was like 32 or something. Let's see. Wait, I'm looking for aluminum. Aluminum ore. Is it not going to tell me? Is there more than one type of... Yes, there's more than one type of aluminum. But it's not telling me. Of course. So I guess I am looking for 10. 10. Why is it suddenly deciding not to let me? Unless it was a different mod pack I'm thinking of. Which is entirely possible. Let's see. That was bauxite. Yes. Yes, more 10. Ooh, source quartz. That would be helpful. More coal. Now that I think about it, it was a different mod pack that I was thinking of. Ooh, yellowite. Gonna need that at some point. Probably. Not too sure about that, actually. I'm gonna make this a 2-part episode simply because of the fact that I'm running a bit long on time. So I will get back to you after I finish mining. See you guys. Have a good time. See you next episode.